In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dimension text size in AutoCAD 2026. If your dimensions look too small to read or way too large on your drawing, don't worry. I'll show you the quickest way to adjust them properly so your drawings look clean and professional. Start by selecting one of the dimensions whose text size you want to change. This helps you identify the dimension style currently being used in your drawing. Next, go to the command line, type D, and press Enter. This opens the Dimension Style Manager, where all your dimension settings are controlled. Inside the Dimension Style Manager, locate the active dimension style. Once you find it, click on Modify. A new window will appear with several tabs for customizing your dimensions. Go to the Text tab. This section controls everything related to the appearance of your dimension text. Now look for the setting called Text Height. This value determines how large or small the dimension text appears in your drawing. Simply enter a new value based on the size you want. For example, if the text is too small, increase the value slightly. If it looks oversized, reduce it until it feels balanced with the rest of the drawing. After entering the new text height, click OK, then close the Dimension Style Manager. You should immediately see the updated text size on your dimensions. If it still doesn't look right, you can always go back and adjust the value again. It's normal to test a few different sizes before finding the perfect one. A quick tip: the best text size usually depends on your drawing scale and layout size. So always zoom out and check how the dimensions look in the overall drawing, not just up close. And that's it. Select the dimension style, modify the text settings, and adjust the text height to get clean and readable dimensions in AutoCAD 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.